Hello children, how are you all? I hope you all are doing well at home. So good, very good student. So dear student, this is Joy Singh. Welcome you all in a science online class. Okay student? So first of all, take out your science book and also take out your notebook and your stationery box. Okay? Now student, in last class, I have taught you about the chapter 3, housing and clothing. Okay, housing and clothing, chapter 3. So housing, the term housing I have completed in previous class. Today I am going to teach you about the clothing. Okay student? So first of all, take out your book, page number 29. Okay? Now clothing for us. So listen carefully student. Clothes are one of our basic needs. We all need clothes to cover our body. Clothes protect us from heat, cold, rain and insect bite. क्लोथ जो होती है वो हमारी क्या होती है, बहुत बेसिक नीड होती है एंड इट प्रोटेक्ट अस फ्रॉम हीट, कोल्ड, रेन. ओके, ये हमें प्रोटेक्ट करती है और इंसेक्ट्स बाइट से. ओके, डू यू नो दैट अर्ली मैन्स ऑल्सो यूज टू कवर देयर बॉडी एंड दे यूज लीव्स और स्किन ऑफ एनिमल्स एज अ क्लोथ. जो अर्ली मैन पीपल्स थे, जो बहुत पुराने जो लोग थे, वो क्या करते थे, उनके पास क्लोथ्स नहीं थे तो वो लिप्स से और स्किन ऑफ एनिमल्स उसके यूज कर कर वो अपने बॉडीज को कवर करते थे. ओके स्टूडेंट? सो नाउ टुडेज क्लोथ्स जो आज जो क्लोथ्स हम लोग वेयर करते हैं, दे आर मेड फ्रॉम फाइबर्स. जो क्लोथ्स हम लोग वेयर करते हैं वो किस चीज से बने होते हैं? क्लोथ्स. ओके स्टूडेंट, क्लोथ्स, अबाउट द क्लोथ्स. आज जो हम लोग क्लोथ्स वेयर करते हैं वो किस चीज से बने होते हैं? दे आर मेड फ्रॉम द फाइबर्स. दे आर मेड फ्रॉम द व्हाट? फाइबर्स. ओके स्टूडेंट, ये जो क्लोथ्स हम लोग पहनते हैं वो किस चीज से बने होते हैं? फाइबर से. ओके, वेरी गुड. And what is fiber? Fibers are thin thread-like strands spun to make clothes. Okay, वो बहुत पतला thin thread-like strands होते हैं spun. Okay, उसके थ्रू वो क्या करते हैं? वो clothes बनाते हैं. Okay, now fibers. Fibers जो होते हैं students, fibers are of two types. Fibers जो होते हैं वो two types के होते हैं. एक होते हैं natural fibers. Okay, एक होते हैं natural fibers और दूसरा होता है क्या? मैन मेड फाइबर्स. ओके, मैन मेड फाइबर. फाइबर्स आर ऑफ टू टाइप. फर्स्ट इज व्हाट? नेचुरल फाइबर एंड सेकंड इज व्हाट? मैन मेड फाइबर. ओके, नेचुरल फाइबर्स आर दे आर द फाइबर्स ऑब्टेन फ्रॉम प्लांट्स एंड एनिमल्स. ये जो फाइबर्स हैं ये हमें प्लांट्स एंड एनिमल्स से मिलते हैं. ये फाइबर्स हमें कहाँ से मिलता है? प्लांट्स एंड एनिमल्स से. Okay, like cotton, wool, okay, cotton, wool, silk. These are the fibers we obtain from the plants and animals. Okay, student? Natural fibers जो होते हैं, now once again I am repeating, natural fibers are the fibers which are made from plants and animals. Okay, which are obtained from plants and animals. Okay student? Now man-made fibers are the fibers made by the man. Okay, made by the man. ये made by man. ये man खुद बनाते हैं. कहाँ? फैक्ट्रीज में. बड़ी बड़ी फैक्ट्रीज होते हैं, उसमें ये मैन जो है वो खुद से ये फाइबर्स बनाते हैं. फाइबर्स जो होते हैं वो होते हैं नाइलॉन है ना, नाइलॉन, फिर रेयॉन पॉलिस्टर, इस टाइप के जो फाइबर्स होते हैं वो आपके मैनमेड फाइबर्स होते हैं। और ये फाइबर्स कहाँ किस चीज में यूज होते हैं? These are used for making raincoat, umbrellas and they are last long. ये कभी भी खराब नहीं होते। ओके, वो बहुत दिनों तक लास्ट लॉन्ग्स होते हैं, बहुत दिनों तक चलते हैं। ओके स्टूडेंट, बहुत सालों तक चलते हैं दीज मैनमेड जो फाइबर्स होते हैं। ओके, और कॉटन फाइबर्स, वूल, सिल्क। ठीक है, कॉटन फाइबर्स जो होते हैं बेटा, ये दीज फाइबर्स स्टूडेंट्स, दीज फाइबर्स आर obtained from plants. Okay, wool is obtained from animal, silk is obtained from animals. Okay, ये animals से हमें मिलता है। तो these are the basic terms you have to know about this. Okay, so these all are about the clothing. Clothing means clothes. We may it is a basic need of our body. Okay. And clothes are made from the fibers. Fibers are of two types, natural and man-made. Natural fibers are obtained from plants and animals, and man-made fibers made by the man. Okay student, these are the example of natural fibers and these are the example of man-made fibers. So chapter 3rd is over. आपके चैप्टर 3rd में only this things only you have to learn. Okay, from chapter 3rd. Got it? Okay student, now what you have to do, you have to read the page 29, 30 and 31. ये जो पेजेस हैं आपको रीड करनी है thoroughly. You have to read. Okay, now I am moving to the exercises. Okay student, now I am moving to the exercises of chapter 3rd. Exercises of chapter 3rd. This you have to do in your book today. Okay, do it. Exercises of chapter 3rd. Exercises. Okay, do it in your book. Number 1 is what? Fill in the blank. Okay, fill in the blanks. Okay, fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks with the help of words given in the box. See, take out page number 33. Page 33. Page 33. With the help of the words given in the box. Now see. In hot and dry region, houses are made of, जो hot and dry region होते हैं ये हम लोग housing में पढ़े हैं. Hot and dry regions are, houses are made of, houses जो होते हैं, only answer I am writing here. Okay student, only answer. So houses are made of mud and clay. Okay, houses are made of mud and clay. Now a dash is a floating house. जो float करता है house, वो what, कौन सी house होती है? That house is what? Is houseboat. Okay, houseboat. Now number 3rd. Dash around the house make the air fresh. What? Green plants. Okay student, green plants. Number 4, the dash naturally protect us from many diseases. So, sunlight. Okay, sunlight. And number 5 is what? Dash and dash are plant fibers. Plant fibers are dash and dash. Cotton and linen. Okay. कॉटन एंड लिनन जो होती है वो हमारी ऑब्टेन फ्रॉम प्लांट्स है. ओके, दीज आर वेयर ड्यूरिंग द समर्स. सो डू इट इन योर बुक. Do it in your book. Do it, student. Now Next is what? Match the following. Okay. Number 1. Number 2 is match the following. Matching. Okay. Match. Number 1 is ventilation. So ventilation, windows and doors. Okay. Ventilation. वेंटिलेशन में क्या आएगा बेटा? वेंटिलेशन की जो आंसर है वो है क्या? डी. ओके. विंडोज एंड डोर्स, डी. नाउ इज लिनन. इसका जो आंसर है वो समर वियर. समर वियर इज ई. ओके. समर वियर इज ई. नाउ इग्लू. Igloo is very cold place. Okay, it is very cold place. So it is B. Number 4. Fur. Fur is what? Fur is fine soft hair. It is A. Fine soft hair. And D. Caravan. Caravan is nomads. Nomads are in C. Okay. All the answer I have written here. So do it in your book, student. Do it fast. Write down in your book. Okay. So you all have written. Now I am moving to the odd one out. Okay. Odd one out. Odd one out. Put odd one out. No, sorry. Circle the correct word. Number 3 is what? Circle the correct word. Circle करना है आपको. Circle the correct one. Number 1. Houses are made according to the food we eat, places we live. Houses are made according to the places we live. Places we live. Okay. Number 2, an open area or airy, closed and stuffy house is good for health. Open and airy. This open and airy. Open and airy area जो होती है, ये एरिया हमारे लिए गुड होता है. ओके स्टूडेंट. नाउ नंबर 3. Number 3 is cotton or nylon. Clothes keeps our body cool during summer. So it is cotton. Okay, it is what? Cotton. Cotton जो होती है वो हमें समर में cool रखता है. Now plants and animals make the air fresh. Plants or animals make the air fresh. Plants. It's what? It's plants. Okay, not animals. It's plants. Now, nylon is a natural or man-made fiber. It is a man-made fiber. Okay, it is a man-made fiber. Okay, do it. Do the circle in your book. Now, one more. Put the odd one out, giving reason. Okay, number 4. Put odd one out, giving reason. Okay. So giving reason, you have to put the odd one out. Number 4. Odd one out. Odd one out. Number 1. Number 1 is hut, hospital, caravan, houseboat. 4 are option. Hut, hospital, caravan and houseboat. So hut is made by mans, caravans are made by mans, houseboats are made by mans. But hospitals जो होती है, when we fall sick, then we go to hospital. Okay. So first one is what? Hospital. Okay. First one is hospital. Number 2. Hospital में आपको क्या करना है? Odd one out. Out करना है. Now. Clogged drain, sunlight, sanitation and ventilation. Sunlight, sanitation and ventilations are good for, it shows the good house. ठीक है, good and clean house. And clogged drains नहीं होना चाहिए good house में, है ना. So clogged drains. Okay, it is the odd one out. Now number 3. Jute, cotton, silk, flax. So jute is plant fiber, cotton is plant fiber, flax is plant fiber. But silk is what? Silk is a animal fiber. Silk is animal fiber. Number 4. Polyester, wool, nylon, acyclic. These are what? These are man-made. But wool is natural fiber. So here it is wool. Okay. Number 5. Sweater, fur coat, jacket, cotton shirt. Sweater, fur coat and jacket we wear in winter season. और cotton shirt जो होती है we wear cotton shirt during the summer season. Okay, so answer is what? Cotton shirt. Cotton shirt. Okay, student. So write down in your book. Up to 4th question I have completed. Do it fast. Okay, you all have done. Now listen. Give 2 examples of each of the following things that let the air fresh air in. इसमें 2 things आपको बताना है that let the fresh air in. Tell. Do it fast. I have to write down the. It's ventilation, sunlight. These all are ventilation होना चाहिए. Okay, fresh air, sanitation. Okay, air fresh करता है. Green plants planted around the house. Now green plants and pots. अगर green plants और pots आप लगाते हो अपने घर के आसपास तो ये आपके air को fresh करता है. Okay, आपके air को fresh करता है. So do it on. Tomorrow I will give you the answer of this question. Okay, student. So do it fast. This. Hope you all have done. Okay, and also read chapter 3rd thoroughly. Okay, and do these all exercises in your book. And tomorrow again I will teach the rest exercises left and question answer of chapter 3rd. Okay, students. So take care. Goodbye.